How to add swipe up link to Instagram story. The very first thing you wanna do is to head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Swipe right and move into your story section. Here you can click the picture or select the picture from the gallery. Let me head over to my gallery. Let's say I want to add this picture to my story. Now tap on the sticker icon at the top and then click on the feature of link right here. Paste the link that you have copied and then tap on done at the top right corner. Now you can place this link anywhere on the screen. You can even resize this link. Once you have adjusted the link, tap on this icon and then enter the text swipe up. Select any of the font from here that you want. And once you are done, tap on done at the top right corner. Place the text anywhere on the screen. Now whenever you are ready to post, tap on your story at the bottom left corner and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is how you can add swipe up link on Instagram story. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.